Over the past year, I've had the pleasure of working with and spending some time with Terry Duffy and Dave Duffy, the co-owners of Central Maintenance and Service Company. They specialize in facility management. They specialize in working with manufacturing companies, car dealerships, healthcare facilities. They really do a fantastic job. What I like most about them is the people. The reason why I would recommend them, without hesitation is, you're going to get, honesty, you're going to get integrity, but you're also going to get quality. They might not be the least expensive, but that you're going to get, a real great service, and you're never going to have any kind of issues because they are on top of everything that they do. So Central Maintenance and Service Company, Terry Duffy, Dave Duffy, great folks to work with.